Hey folks, my name is Chris at HouseIt. Today we're going to talk about an important topic for first-time homebuyers in Miami, Florida, and Florida generally. And that is, what is the best way to schedule showings as a buyer in Florida? Well, there are many different ways, but one thing we found, especially in the South Florida market and Florida generally, is that listing agents and sellers agents, when you are actually able to find their direct contact info, and that may take a little bit of digging, including Googling their name and maybe their firm, just to find their actual contact number. And fortunately, that frequently is at least a cell phone number. And we found the best way to do it is to, perhaps start by giving them a quick call to see if you can reach them, because if you can, you can really kind of qualify yourself very quickly, telling them a little bit about your financials or such, you're pre-approved, you're looking to search, and perhaps even just by the pure professionalism of your approach, you can sort of qualify yourself, and they often won't ask you for anything anything more in terms of like proof of funds or anything. It's actually quite rare of an ask. So failing that, maybe you leave a quick voicemail, and then you follow up with a text. And if you do speak with them, you try to confirm a few times and say, hey, listen, we're going to confirm by text. And then what I would do is, because text and calling is sort of a universal way to get a hold of listing agents versus email, which is great as well. But the problem is sometimes you can't find the right email address. Oftentimes if you do, they don't respond right away, versus people are much quicker to respond via text. So then what I would recommend doing is have your text messages be focused purely on real estate. Have your personal conversations on some other chat medium like WhatsApp or Telegram, whatever you choose, or Signal. But have the text be focused on these showings. And then so you speak with the listing agent, you confirm a time, you text them the address, your name, time, confirmed, thank you, so it's there. Or you text them if you just got a voicemail. Text them and see if they can confirm it as well. And then this way, you look through, it's what we found to be quite an easy way to quickly confirm and organize a bunch of showings, ideally ones that are back to back next to each other or in the same building, 15-30 minutes apart if they're in the same building, or a little bit more time for travel time if they're in nearby buildings and such. But anyway, so as a buyer's agent or as a buyer just looking directly, that's the most efficient way we found to schedule showings when you're looking at properties, condos, houses in Florida, in Miami, in South Florida in particular. That's what we found to be very effective. And of course, if you're a buyer and you're looking for some help and you just want somebody to handle it for you, we can certainly do that for you. And not just that, we can give you 2/3 of the buyer agent commission, subject to us keeping a small minimum. 2/3 can be quite substantial here in Florida. For example, in Miami, many of the new construction buildings here offer 5%, 6%, 7% in commission to buyer's agents. So 2/3 of that can be much more than your closing costs here. And of course, if you're looking to sell, we can also help you save all 6% in typical broker commissions through our agent-assisted FSBO listing service. And if you're looking for something more hands-on, we have a 1% for full-service listing option as well. We cover Miami-Dade County, Broward, Palm Beach, Martin, and St. Lucie counties here in Southeast Florida. And we also cover New York City, Long Island, and the Hudson Valley in New York State. My name is Chris at HouseIt, and we'll see you on the next one.